Okay, David, so welcome back. We have so far studied about the present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, and next we studied about past indefinite tense, past continuous tense. So today we will be studying the next tense, which is past perfect tense. Let me write it here. Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. So let us first know the structure of this tense. What will be the structure of this tense, David? So we know a sentence always starts with subject plus. Look, this is a perfect tense, but this is past perfect. So remember, we know that in present perfect we take have, right? But in past perfect the equivalent auxiliary verb is had. Remember this thing. Understood? Therefore, we are going to write this had here plus the next will be the main verb. Now remember the main verb, since this is a perfect, so therefore the main verb will always be in verb number 3. In other words, we can say that it will be the past participle form of the main verb. Then after that we have object, so you can write it. So therefore the structure of the past perfect tense is subject plus had plus the third form of the main verb. Then here others will come, or you can say the object will come, right? Okay, now we will know the construction of the past perfect tense by taking a verb. In order to do that, we are going to write the conjugation for this tense. So in order to write the conjugation, we are going to take a main verb. So David, what should I take here? So let us take the main verb do here. With the help of this main verb do, we are going to write the conjugation for the tense past perfect tense, right?
Yes.
Okay, now what should I write here, David? I should write the first person here, right?
Yes.
Then what goes down?
Second person.
Below this we have second person here. And below second person we have the third person here. Now we have made two columns here. Here in the first column we have singular noun, singular number. We have singular number, and here we are going to write the plural number. Okay, now can you recall, can you say something about the subject here?
First person number is I.
Okay, I. Next, plural,
We.
we. So first person here singular number. The singular number means only one person, and plural number refers to more than one person, right? Okay, what about the second person here?
Second person is
What is the subject in second person?
you.
It is you. Here you means only one person. And what will be the plural of second person?
You.
It is the same. Same. Here also you. Here again you. Now we have three subjects here in third person singular number. Now can you say that? What is the first one?
He.
He,
She.
she,
It.
it. Very good. Okay. So these are the third person singular numbers, and they are collectively called the plural numbers here. So plural number will be day. Okay. Now we will look at the structure once again. The structure of past perfect tense says that subject, after subject, had, auxiliary verb had should be here. So therefore it is our duty to write the auxiliary verb had here. So I have done. I had. I is the subject here. You is the subject here. He, she, it. They are the subject here. And we have written the auxiliary verb had here. Here also we is the plural subject. You is the plural subject. And they is also the plural subject. And we have written had here. Now, according to the structure, after had, the main verb should be written in the third form, right? Now, we are going to first write the third form of the main verb do. So, we have taken the main verb do here. Now, what is the second form of the do? It is did, am I right? And the third form of this verb is done. And the fourth form is doing, right? Now which one is required? Which one is needed? We need the third form of this verb. So therefore look, it will be done here. So the verb do, right? Do will become done here. So I have written I had done. We had done. Full stop. Here also again done, 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 and lastly done. Here done, here done. Finish, David?
Finish.
Now what about this object here?
Object. Other words.
Other words or object may come here, but here we are not going to take any object here because we don't have so much space here, right? So therefore we are not going to take the object here. The object may be, we can add object like I have done the work, right? So I can add two more words here, the work. Here also we can add here, we had done the work. The work will be the object for this conjugation, right? Okay, so we have known that, we have come to know that the past perfect tense has the structure subject plus had plus verb number 3. We say past participle of the main verb, then object, right?
Yes.
So I think that you have understood